In this video, I'll show you guys how to set a static IP address on your Mac. To do that, open up your system settings and then head over to the network section. Here, pick the network connection you want to set the static IP for. It could be Wi-Fi or a wired Ethernet connection. Since I'm using a wired connection right now, I'll go ahead and select that one. From here, just click on the Details button. If you're using Wi-Fi, the steps are exactly the same. A new window will pop up. Go ahead and select the TCP/IP tab. Under the Configure IPv4 drop-down, change it to Manual. Once it's set to Manual, you can type in the new static IP address for this connection. For example, I'll set mine to 192.168.1.20. For the subnet mask, you can usually leave it as the default. And for the router, if you're on a standard home network, it's typically 192.168.1.1. Finally, just hit OK. To double check that it worked, open up Terminal and type in the command I'm showing on the screen. The output should be the static IP address you just manually set.